Hello, today we will be practicing calm yoga to relieve stress about everything that is causing any troubles on your head. First, let's do some. Close your eye and I to concentrate.
Okay.
Now, where was I? Oh, the yoga. Back to yoga. Let's try to take some deep breaths. First, think of something that makes you feel happy.
Cookies.
Next, with that thought, you take a deep breath in. Next, you hold it in. Good. Now, let it out. Then, you open your eye one by one. See how there is beauty from nature surrounding you? Stand up and let's get going to the balance position. Stand on one leg and stretch your arms as wide as you can, like this. Good job. Take some deep. Why do I hear bones breaking? Lucky? Answer me, girl, did you? Oh my gosh. Lucky, are you okay, please? Lucky, I'm sorry. Where did it break?
My back.
Don't worry. We will get cookies for us and get some treatment for you. Thanks for watching.